Today, I'd like to show you a 10-minute routine for self-healing and self-love using an ancient technique called oponopono, using 4 phrases or mantras. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. These phrases really hold their power in being felt rather than just being spoken or thought. So we're going to incorporate some freestyle body tapping into our routine to help connect the mind to the body and really feel the energy of those words inside. I'm going to start with the chest. You can take a deep breath in with me and mouth exhale. And at any time, you can change the position of where you're tapping. Because I want you to actually search around and find spots of your body that feel a little tense, a little tight, a little weak. And when you find those spots, you may want to stay in that area a little bit longer, because the weak or the painful areas of the body are usually where we're holding our fears, our worries, and they may need a little bit more attention for healing. So let your hands move freely around your body. Inhaling through your nose. Long exhale out your mouth. Waking up your intuition. When you're ready, you can close your eyes and tap freely around your body. And we'll start to speak out these phrases. You can say these phrases to any part of yourself, to your name, to your body, to your heart, to your inner child. Try to have an honest conversation with yourself through these phrases and really following your gut feeling about what to say as you stay connected to the feeling of your body. So again, you can close your eyes. Exhale out. And starting to speak out loud, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not taking care of you. I'm sorry for not letting you rest when you need it. I'm sorry for pushing you. I'm sorry for punishing you. I'm sorry for all the times I made you feel small or unwanted. So talk very casually to yourself. Anything that comes to your mind is okay. I'm sorry for being so critical. Please forgive me for being so hard on you. Please forgive me for judging you. Please forgive me for punishing you. Please forgive me for comparing you to others. Continue to breathe and tap very freely, very intuitively around your body, finding those spots that are tight and tense, and speaking freely. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for not giving you what you need. I'm sorry for the times I didn't know what you needed. I'm sorry for not being patient with you. Please forgive me for believing you weren't good enough. Please forgive me for all the times I said I can't do it. Please forgive me for all the times I didn't trust you. I didn't believe in you. Please forgive me. for not seeing you. Continue to exhale, repeating the phrases that mean the most to you, the ones that may feel the hardest to say. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Keep feeling your body and start to say thank you. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you for knowing me more than anyone else does. Thank you for always supporting me, for always being there. Thank you. To yourself, to you. Thank you. I love you. I love all of you. I love everything you've been. I love everything you are. I love everything you will be. I love you. Sometimes this can be the hardest one to say or to feel. And if you don't feel it right away, it's okay. Continue to breathe, to exhale, and be patient as you practice saying, I love you to yourself. I love you. I love all of you. I love you. Slowly rest your arms down. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly and straighten your back and spine. Then gently lift and rub your palms and hands together. Breathe in, breathe out. And feel your hands. Gently stop with your hands in front of your chest and open your palms slightly. Lower your shoulders. Lift your heart. And feel your hands. Slowly let them drift farther away, and then slowly back together. The space between your hands expanding and contracting. Now feel your chest. As you open your hands, so too open the energy of your heart. Expand the energy of your chest. And relax. Then gently bring one hand over the other to your heart center. Close your eyes and let the warmth of your hands melt the tension around your heart. Breathe. Now I want you to go back to any one of the phrases that meant the most to you today. As you feel your hands on your heart, Which phrase, which mantra resonated most with your heart? And you can speak once more softly to yourself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I love all of you. As you are, right now. Feel the warmth of your hands. Feel your heart center. And breathe. When you're ready, massage your chest clockwise. Exhale out. Then gently sweep to your lower abdomen, rub your lower abdomen clockwise. How did it go? Please will you let me know in the comments below what you felt? And if you'd like to experience a full 1 hour of brain education, find a body and brain center near you. See you next time.